Hey everyone, what's going on? It's Eli here from Deep Discounts Club, and today I'm bringing you guys a look at this Lumineux whitening strips. Apparently it only takes 30 minutes and you get a lot whiter teeth. 14 strips, 7 treatments, because 1 strip for the bottom and 1 strip for the top of your mouth. Comes in this very simple package, a nice and late expiration date there, so let's go ahead and see how this thing works. Here is the strips. As you can see, 2 in here. There's 7 of these in the package. And then you got the instructions right here. It's nice and fun, nice and friendly, so it seems pretty simple to use. Go ahead and open this thing up and peel off the strips and apply them. Wait 30 minutes and then brush off the residue. Let's go ahead and see what the results look like. Here are the strips. The top one will be for the bottom of your mouth, and the larger bottom one will be for the top of your mouth. So something like that. As you can see, lots of nice and healthy ingredients in there: coconut oil, sage oil, lemon peel oil, and Dead Sea salt. All right, the strips are on. As you can see, very hard to notice them. They went on quite easily. They're nice and sticky, and there's no harsh flavor at all. It's just very light, and it honestly tastes like, it's just like an earthy kind of fresh taste. So nothing to worry about there. I'm gonna leave these on for 30 minutes and then we'll see how the results look. Let's go ahead and take these out. Nice and smooth there. Now I do feel some gumminess on my teeth, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush them. As you can see, my teeth are quite white. No complaints at all. Looks pretty awesome, honestly. I wonder how long it's gonna last, but I can just buy more when I need them. Thanks for watching.